how to normalize the audio of a clip and how to remove that normalization gain inside Premiere Pro. To normalize it, right click on a clip on the timeline and come here to audio gain. G is the hotkey for gain. You can press that one next time. So audio gain, and you can check these. Come here to normalize max peak, check that one, and this clip, it will be normalized from -14 decibels to 0. And after clicking OK, these vertical lines will get taller. So click on it and it was normalized. To remove the normalization, you can also right click on it and audio gain, but let's just press G. And since it was normalized from -14 to 0, then just click on the first one, set gain, the value is already there, and just type a minus in front of it. And that will reduce the audio gain to the same value as it was. So click OK and the lines will get smaller. So the audio gain was removed. Now let's analyze it. This one, if I press G, notice peak amplitude 0, so this is already at the maximum value and you cannot normalize it. If I select Ctrl A and press G, Ctrl A selected everything, G is for audio gain, I cannot normalize this one because one single clip has a maximum peak there. So in this case, select less clips, let's say those, G. These can be normalized with a smaller value and just normalize that one. Okay, and in the same manner you can remove that by pressing G, set gain 2 and just introduce a minus in front of that number, and that's it.